Hi, today we'll be doing a short video on how to set up one of Eastern Connections water feature kits and water feature. So you will receive the stone of your choice, reservoir, grid with an inspection hatch and a pump and light kit. In the pump and light kit you will receive a transformer with 3 meters cable, a meter length of pipe, a light which pushes onto the end of the pipe, and a pump which a pipe pushes onto the other end of the pump. You push the cable into the transformer and screw it up tight. This is the smallest bucket we do, which is a 54. We also do a 70 and a 90 and a 114. I'll show you how to Okay, so once the hole is dug out to the correct depth of your bucket, place the bucket in the bottom, put your grid on top, and make sure that this is level. It needs to be dead level both ways, so you get good coverage of water over the water feature. Once it's level, you backfill and pack it tightly around here with either loose soil, or if it's clayey like this is, I recommend backfilling it with sand so it's tighter all around the bucket. Once you've done that, you place the pump and light, which you've now put together, into the bottom of the bucket with enough cable just to have a bit of slack. Then you put your cable over the top of the bucket with your transformer and plug. You can bury this at a later date. You then place your grid on top, which is now backfilled and all tidy around there. Once you've done that, you grab your water feature, place it, once it's all lined up, you grab your light, your cable on the side, and poke it up through the central of the water feature, so it comes out the top like so. As you'll notice, the holes vary on these natural stones, so we recommend getting some black electrical tape, wrapping around the light, just a few times, like so, and then you just push it back in until snug, like that. And that is the Eastern Connections water feature kit set up from start to finish. Hope this helps. Thank you.